Welcome to our Rhapsody Afghan Crochet Along, part of the Crochet Skill Builders program, week number 5. Last week we worked rows 24 to 31, and now we're already here ready to work rows 32 to 39. I will, among other tips and tricks, go over how to work into back loops only, and also give an important repetition of a lot that we have learned so far. Red Heart Yarn, thank you so much for sending me the soft yarn to work with in this crochet along. If you're stitching along with me, please upload a photo of your progress on the Annie's Creative Studio website. And now, let's get started.